Chamkapulit.
The Khelo India athletes will now be eligible for central government jobs. In this regard, the Department of Personnel and Training and Sports Ministry have made progressive revisions to the eligibility criteria for sportsperson seeking government jobs. In a social media post, Union Sports Minister Anurag Singh Thakur said this groundbreaking step now extends eligibility to medal winners from Youth University, Para and Winters Games of Khelo India Games to be eligible for central government jobs. He added that these revised rules mark a significant stride in supporting athletes in making India a sporting superpower.
It will now be eligible for government jobs. Khelo India winners, runners-ups, medal winners. So I'm pleased to announce that DOPT, which is the Department of Personnel with the Government of India, in consultation with the Indian Sports, they have made a significant decision, progressive revisions in the eligibility criteria for sports persons seeking the government jobs. That means from today onwards, the players who are the medal winners in the Khelo India Youth, University, Para and Winter Games, they will be eligible for government jobs. Additionally, games and events have been clearly defined to ensure inclusivity across various sports.